Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to a
Yalla.
new and closing video on Hellhole channel. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. So today it's our complaint site from where the staff is removing the cover. This manhole is blocked and the ring or frame of the manhole is broken. So the cover is not properly fixed over it. So it is difficult to remove the cover. The sewage level in this manhole is quite down, so it's functional. So the last span is blocked and need to unclog. Today onward, there will be no desilting or removing the waste from the manholes because staff is returned after 4 to 5 holidays of Christmas. So that is why there is huge burden of complaints. Here we go. The sewer
ਫੜ
line got
ਫੜ
functional.
ਉਹਨੂੰ
You can see
ਮੈਂ
that
ਥੱਲੇ ਚੱਲ ਜਾਣਾ
the level of sewage is going down.
ਉਹਨੂੰ ਫੜ ਲਾ
We will try to unclog the
ਹਾਂ
maximum sewer lines because there are huge number of complaints after holidays. So the desilting of block sewer line will be done later. We'll only unclog the sewer lines. The sewage level is decreasing continuously. Not a huge rubbish has been struck with steel bar.
ਪਿੱਛੇ ਵੀ ਹੈਗਾ ਮੈਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਪਿੱਛੋਂ ਵੀ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ
Is also one more previous manhole, so that is why the sewage is coming from behind and the level of sewage is decreasing continuously.
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਸਰ
This is a signs of sewage that is coming from the previous manhole. Water is creating its way.
ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਪਰਲੀ 8 ਦੇਖਣੀ ਹੂੰ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਅੱਗੇ
Sewage is flowing in this manhole and it's going
ਅਗੇਨ ਤੇ
towards
ਫੜ
the next manholes. Is trying to catch the ball and some other floating materials.
ਅਗਲਾ ਪੱਟ ਕੇ ਦੇਖ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਚਲਾ ਗਿਆ ਅੱਗੇ
The line got functional and now staff is putting the covers back on the manholes. Manhole is now
ਉੱਤੇ
totally empty from sewage. There is only waste which will be removed later. So that is all for today. Thank you very much for watching.
ਹਾਂ 14 ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ